Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Wednesday, February 2nd. Elon Musk and Tesla fans are ramping up the pressure to get recognition from President Biden. You wouldn't think that the president of the country would have a hard time recognizing one of the most popular, influential, and wealthy businessmen in America, but politics can be a funny thing. The slights began when President Biden signed a new executive order for 50% of new cars sold in the U.S. to be electric by the year 2030. At the event, they conspicuously did not invite Tesla. Later, the administration pushed for reform of the electric vehicle tax credit to include an additional $4,500 credit per electric vehicle produced at unionized factories, which effectively cut out Tesla. Things started to escalate from there when President Biden made the undoubtedly ridiculous statement that CEO Mary Barra of General Motors was responsible for electrifying the entire auto industry. Just last week, Elon Musk took to Twitter to goad the president into acknowledging Tesla. The tweet caught on since a fan actually bought an advertising space on Times Square to promote Elon Musk's tweet. Someone going by Poet from the Stars even started a petition on change.org to have President Biden acknowledge Tesla's leadership. I think at this point everyone knows that internet petitions are a sign of desperation. Tesla has communicated to employees and some customers that its supply chain issues are now extending to solar roof products, and for now they stopped scheduling new installations. In the first quarter of 2021, Tesla had deployed 92 megawatts of solar power. That includes both solar roof tiles and regular solar panels, and it's safe to say that number will go down in the future. Several customers are reporting having received an email that says in part, quote, "Due to supply chain delays, your installation timeline may be extended. These delays are broadly impacting the U.S. solar industry and are outside Tesla's control. We do not currently have a firm timeline for our suppliers as to when these delays will end." After opening strong in pre-market trading, Tesla stock fell this morning as more attention is being brought to the serious phantom braking issue on Autopilot. Phantom braking is a term used to describe when an advanced driver assist system, or a self-driving system, applies the brakes for no good reason. Reports made the rounds on the news outlets, but it really didn't go mainstream until now. Tesla stock dropped by more than 3% following the report this morning. Tesla has started to release a new full self-driving beta software update, version 10.10. It includes several changes, including removing the rolling stop and addressing cornering cases, and a few more. The updates includes the following: smoother fork maneuvers and turn lane selection, improved generalized static object network, improved smoothness for merge handling and when stopping for crossing objects, improved right-of-way understanding, and also the ability for the vehicle to use an upcoming lane to try to avoid an object in the road if it is deemed unsafe. Elon Musk has accused an Associated Press reporter of being a lobbyist over an article about the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's recall of Tesla vehicles in the full self-driving beta program. This all stems from the use of the rolling stop at clear intersections, a feature the NHTSA declared worthy of a recall, but it's already been fixed without the need for a physical intervention. Elon Musk took issue with some of the reporting from the Associated Press, in which the headline reads, "Tesla recall full self-driving software runs stop signs." In response, some of Elon Musk's fans are lobbing insults at the reporter on Twitter, and figuratively speaking, the rest of the Twitter baboons are surrounding the squabble with shrieks of support for their side. Ford Motor Company shared new details regarding how future owners will soon be able to power their homes using the truck as a backup generator. Ford is calling it intelligent backup power, and it offers the Lightning truck owners the ability to offload 9.6 kilowatts of power from the battery pack. Instead of hours, they actually say that the system can operate for days. Ford also showcased their partnership with the American solar company Sunrun. To take advantage of the intelligent backup power, the F-150 customers will need both the Ford Charging Station Pro and the home integration system. So I guess this news press release is actually a sales pitch. When the system power actually turns on, it can automatically kick in case of an outage. We asked Ford if the owners could simply run a 240-volt generator cable from the outlet on the truck bed into an existing generator port. They said they were uncertain, but it should be able to do it. Chinese-owned Swedish EV automaker Polestar tested a unique performance-oriented Arctic Circle version of the Polestar 2. Changes include raising the height, increased power, increased torque, and custom winter tires. Some people accuse Tesla of being a California automaker, even saying that cold weather performance is an afterthought. Clearly, Polestar doesn't want that stigma, so here they are testing a version that is not intended for production. Oh well. Quantumscape has shared new data showcasing further development of their solid-state batteries. They say the cells have completed 400 consecutive 15-minute fast-charging cycles, replenishing from 10 to 80% capacity, while still retaining over 80% of the initial energy. This isn't just theoretical pristine lab samples, actually. Quantumscape says that they've conducted the tests on commercially relevant-sized single-layer prototype battery cells at a temperature of 77 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. They also cite 3.4 atmospheres of pressure and 100% depth of discharge. Current customers of EVs generally need to charge between 20 and 30 minutes on DC fast chargers to replenish to 80% without reducing the longevity of the cell. Quantumscape believes that they can bring EV charge times down within several minutes of a typical gas station fill-up. Compact electric vehicle manufacturer ElectraMeccanica shared a delivery timeline for their upcoming cargo version of the Solo. The quirky three-wheeled enclosed motorcycle will definitely draw heads when it reaches the road in the next quarter of the year. In March of 2021, they announced they had chosen Mesa, Arizona as the site of their U.S. production facility for the Solo EV. The facility is scheduled to be completed this summer with a goal of having the capacity to produce 20,000 vehicles per year. In today's community comment, Martin Woods says, quote, "Mike, you forgot this one. 14th of December 2017, Tesla Semi unveiled and new Roadster unveil official Tesla YouTube video 2830. Elon Musk, quote, people asked us for a long time, when are you going to make a new Roadster? We are making it now." Yeah, that's actually a good one too, of promises unfulfilled. A few times by now, Elon Musk has said that making a prototype is easy and it represents very, very little of the total effort. It's making things, with production, that's difficult. Sure seems that way. Tesla has quite a few prototypes and promises out there, and they are slowly becoming a reality. I'm actually still holding out for that solid snake charger arm that Tesla was showing off. I really don't know why, but it seems cool to me, although it might be irrelevant. A long time ago in the EV space, we were predicting wireless power transfer would come about, either by putting juice in the road itself, such as on a bus route, or with a charging pad just to drive onto. Any of these would eliminate the need to manually plug in, even with a solid snake robot arm. Oh well. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.